52.
Sweet, man.
Yeah,
That was nice.
Hey, cool hat.
Thank you. I am the Burger King. King of the world.
Maybe I don't need a helmet. I'll just get one of those.
Alright guys, please pay attention. We're going to be playing a newer game mode. So please pay attention. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, so we're going to be playing a game mode I made up last week and they enjoyed it. So we're going to be playing VIP. So basically, there's going to be...
shut up over there.
Thank you. There's going to be a team in compound, there's going to be a team in POW. POW team is going to have the VIP. Their objective is to bring that VIP to the first barracks. Compound, your objective is to defend first barracks and don't let that damn VIP get in. Does everyone understand?
We're playing VIP?
Yes, I said that a long time ago.
I wasn't paying attention.
We do that a lot, I didn't realize. So I'm going to be choosing one random person. No bands, you're going to be the compound team. Arm bands, you're going to be starting off in the POW. Does everyone know what they're doing?
Who's the VIP?
Nope, you have one life. If you die, you stay quiet and you come right over here.
Okay. Oh.
One life. VIP can only have a sidearm.
Wait, so who's the VIP?
I'm randomly choosing a VIP.
VIP, 1 life, 5 minutes per round. 3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa! Shit, that was close. Oh no, Tim!
We're still getting 3 minutes.
Wait, how many of us are left?
There's a bunch of guys over there we got.
On our side?
Yeah.
All right.
They're in the barracks over there.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, hit! Oh.
Alright, man.
I think you hit my camera.
I probably did, that's the problem.
I got you. Ow.
Right there in the window.
Who's the person who loaned me their sidearm? Thank you.
You're welcome.
So this is the safety.
Safety off.
Yep. Is it cocked and locked and loaded?
Yeah, it should be.
Make sure. Yep, it's all good.
Thank you.
So again, you guys bringing this guy to the first barracks. Don't let him die, you guys lose.
Yep.
All right.
VIP, 1 life, 5 minutes per round. 3, 2, 1, go!
Ready? I'm moving.
I'm missing to go in there. You are gonna stay right here. You're not moving from here. Oh, hit! Why is it wet?
It's not wet. It's full of BBs. Oh God.
VIP is still alive.
Hit! Hey, ref. Ref. They got me.
VIP has been killed. That is round over. Round over.
Wait.
Thank you.
3, 2, 1, go!